Hey guys, it's your boy Loki. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have brought you yet another platform, phenomenal platform known as Webild IO. Yes, it's a website design and development platform to build really phenomenal websites with smooth animations, GSAP scroll reverse, Linux based smooth scroll, and Eternity and Shatcn based UI, 3JS components, and a lot more with templatized, a lot more layout functionalities, custom themes, domains, and a lot of things. This can potentially beats your Google AI Studio and your Antigravity. Within an hour, you can create beautiful websites and animations like these. Crazy animations, crazy website. And this is all just a prompt, nothing but just a prompt, as you can see. And this is a SaaS based website with pricing cards, ready to get set, and yep. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, for this, first, let's go on to the platform. This is Webuild. Idea to website, generate, customize, and launch. You get 15 free credits on your sign up. And when you go into settings, you can see account, domains, plans, and of course, invoices. Here you can see your projects, build, new chat, all projects. I haven't got any because this is a fresh account. New project, select upgrade plan, and you will get a lot of new features and a lot of new things. Like if you go to build, you can see all different kinds of templates ready for you. You can of course dictate, you have enhanced prompt. These are all the templates you can use, and let's try it out. Let's see how good it is. So for this, I'll go inside templates and I will click on see more. These are all the templates which you can use. So let's say I want to do creative web agency, customize this look, studio. Now I'll go here and I will give a prompt to Claude. Okay, I want to create a landing page for my creative web agency name Luma. So give me the content for the landing page in Markdown, structured properly. And I'm using Sonnet 4.6 with extended thinking. Just press enter and just see the crazy part now. It will start building everything, and while it is doing so, this platform is a basically website designing platform where you get to see these kinds of different crazy website templates. Of course you can give it a lot of content, a lot of prompt and everything, and then it will just develop the website. We will be using this template. So for the purpose of the video, it will be much faster for you to showcase the rest of the part of the platform, because this is not just it. It has got a whole lot of features and a lot of features coming soon. This was a waitlisted platform. I waitlisted for a long time. So I waited a long time for you guys to actually see this project. And yeah, cool. Let me just copy this here, and yep, I want you to rewrite the content of this site for my creative branding agency named Luma. Here is the content, and I pasted the whole content. If you want, you can also give some assets. Like if I click here, you can of course give images. Mostly you can give PNGs, JPEG and JPG file. Right now, you cannot upload any document, PDF or a docx file or a markdown file or a text file, and you cannot upload any kind of video as of now. So let's just click enter, and this is going to be a very raw tutorial. This is a new format I'm trying from some last videos. So yeah, it also got a $12 plan. If you go into upgrade plan, let me just, okay, it will, yeah. So this is kind of how your interface looks like. This is how the video, your preview window runs. I've given it all the sections, and now Bob is building. Bob is basically the agent. No suggestions yet. Of course, it will give you some suggestions to improve upon. In first iteration or in first site creation, it takes near about 6 credits. So if you see 15 is there, 9 is left. When you do some changes, it will go to 6 credits. And when you are on 3 credits, it will stop. On 3 credits it will stop, and with when you hit 3 credit window, you won't be able to customize or develop anything further. You need to upgrade at least to $12 plan to actually be able to develop some things further. So premium, minimalism, gradient depth, smooth motions, professional typography, and this is your site structure. These are backgrounds and typography. If you go to editor, you can see media, you can see color themes, which you can of course generate with AI. You can have layout, you can have typographies. If I go to media, you have media generate and some stock media. Of course, if you click on home, you have generate. So let's go to media. Then this is the site page. In site page, you have home page, and these are all the sections of the home page. These are the layouts. In each section, you have different choices of layouts. Which kind of layout you want to use for hero section, which kind of layout you want to use for about section, for feature section, for team, for testimonials, for legal. Even for legal, it has page layouts for social proofs, for contact, for FAQ, for footer. Crazy amount of footers, and modern UI components have already been rightly baked in. Color themes, you can choose color palettes, you can update. Of course, you can see a whole bunch of color palettes you are seeing here. So many color palettes are present. And of course, typography, you can give your own typography, you can generate with AI. And of course, you have a different typographies which are being generated here right now. And these are some features that will be coming soon. So I hope it comes like it gets launched very soon. And while it is cooking, let me show you dashboard. Here you can publish your site, you can share your site, invite friends, create blogs. Of course, you can create blogs, you can start selling products right from here. You can get a custom domain, you can do site analytics, you can go to site settings, you can of course have site assistant and studio, which are coming soon. Of course, e-commerce, you can create e-commerce websites. These are site settings for which you have to publish and unlock this. Here you can get your domain. If you have your domain, you can of course plug it in. I suppose, yes, connect domain, inbox. For this, you have to upgrade plan. This is your access inbox. Basically, if you have a chatbot provided by Webild onto your e-commerce website or onto your landing page or a waitlist page or portfolio website, you can manage your inbox rightly from here. So this is very crazy. You can write blogs, and these are all like, you can describe a post idea, it will generate, and you can of course post it. Analytics are coming soon, and tools are coming soon. Basically, some platform integrations, as you can see behind the scenes. So a lot more going on, and yeah, I think our site is ready. And of course, you see suggestions, add benefit driven subtitles, create urgency in CTA, strengthen value propositions. And if you accept, it will implement those changes. If you reject, it will not do anything. Basically, it will just be there. If you reject it, it will be there. See, prompter, next, media, site pages, layouts, colors, typography. You can of course visually customize, preview, site dashboard, and of course next, home, e-commerce, domains, inbox, blogs, analytics, and of course publish. here your site is ready. And it is a Next.js app router. Of course, it is a Next.js based website, so latency is not much of an issue. You get smooth animations and modern to the point state of the art landing pages, and it is in Next.js app router. If you click on customize, you can customize your website instantly by visually changing things. It is, of course, mobile responsive with all the SEO and stuff done. So switch between desktop. This is here. And yeah, as you can see, services, contact, we build about Luma. So now our brand identity, website design, graphics, and this is how your landing page for your creative agency is done with all the testimonials, how we work layout, ready, start a project, schedule a call, Luma, done. And we got how many credits we have left? We have got 9 credits left. Let me just quickly reload the page to see exactly how much, because sometimes because it is a new product, yeah, new 9 left. Yep. And you can just publish it, you can share it. This is home page, manage, add page. If you click on customize, you can see you can change layouts, you can change color themes, you can generate typography, and a whole lot of things. We don't want to do that. This is a very quick video, and of course, you see I'm highlighting, and it can change specific divs, specific text format, specific color scheme made with Webild button. And there is a very clicky sound, but these are very subtle sounds in the UI. So the UI is also really good ice themed UI the platform has got, with some new you can say skeuomorphism. Skeuomorphism is a kind of design theme with and they have given ice theme based skeuomorphism, if I'm correct. And yeah, so this is the whole you can say website builder. I quite liked this one because it reduces our dependency on platforms like Lovable, AI Studio, and Antigravity. You can just directly do everything and you don't have to know a single line of code. Literally, now you don't have to know a single line of code and you can build phenomenal websites like these. Like, these are crazy. I think I will put this on my thumbnail, guys. So, yeah, that's for it right now. If you press here all projects Luma, get free credits, blah blah. And guys, there will be a referral link down in the description and pinned in the comments below. Please use that referral link to sign on this platform. It would mean a lot to me. It will show that you appreciate my efforts towards finding these kinds of platforms and showing you the real process and how things working behind the scenes in practical way. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys loved this video and you are loving this raw format I'm trying. Yeah. Till then, see you. Bye bye. And please forgive my English. I'm trying to be as generic as possible. And yeah, bye bye. Take care, guys.